Welcome everyone. Question on pH and pOH. The pH of a 0.05 molar NaOH solution is choices are A 1.3, B 4.2, C 10.4, D 12.7. Answer is D 12.7. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given 0.05 molar NaOH solution. Therefore, concentration of OH minus is equal to 0.05 molar. We know that pOH is equal to minus log concentration of OH minus. Therefore, pOH is equal to minus log 0.05 or pOH is equal to 1.3. Again, we know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14 or pH is equal to 14 minus pOH or pH is equal to 14 minus 1.3 or pH is equal to 12.7. Thank you for watching this video.